Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by verifying your Apple Watch model and software version. You need an Apple Watch Series 3 or newer with cellular or Wi-Fi capability. Install watchOS 8 or later before proceeding. Charge the watch to at least 50% to avoid interruptions. If you plan standalone use, activate an eSIM with a carrier or confirm trusted Wi-Fi networks in advance. Consider Family Setup when you do not own an iPhone. Family Setup lets another iPhone manage the watch without pairing one directly. Begin with Family Setup if you need the watch to operate independently of an iPhone. Use Family Setup to provision cellular, Apple ID, and parental controls from another iPhone. Alternatively, pair the watch to your own iPhone, enable cellular, then unpair to retain standalone functionality. Activate the eSIM through your carrier or connect the watch to trusted Wi-Fi networks. Sync music, podcasts, and selected apps over Wi-Fi before disconnecting the phone. Adjust settings for notifications, health, and location directly on the watch after setup. On a daily basis, you can make calls and use messages over cellular or Wi-Fi when the iPhone is absent. Use GPS, EC, and workout tracking without the iPhone if the watch hardware supports those features. Stream music or play offline playlists that you synced earlier. For Apple Pay and notifications, ensure the watch remains connected to cellular or a trusted Wi-Fi network. If connectivity fails, toggle airplane mode briefly and then re-enable wireless radios. Restart the watch, and if necessary,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.